Alrighty, fellas. While the wheels are off, I figured we'll have to go over something for the curious ones. We're putting a leveling kit, 1 3/4 level kit in here. But the reason I want to do this video, I was curious myself how and what was changed over here. And guys, and I really can't notice anything changed. The brake system, the calipers look about the same. Ball joints and the knuckle looks about the same. Springs are the same, track bar, everything really looks the same. Looks like they still left the opening here. I don't know if it was intentional or not. I could see the air drop because the turbo's so close. They're kind of thinking about it, but it might be just an old part they decided not to invest money into, and because I don't know. So that's the only thing. I don't know why they still left there. Other than that, I mean, everything looks the same as far as suspension goes. Those springs were bought for 24, so hopefully that helps you. I did put into my big tank. You need to modify that a little bit. Here in about a minute, I'll get to it. Leaf springs are the same. Those airbags are the same from the older generations. Couldn't tell you one way or another what has changed on the suspension. Right now, I just need to tell you that it's the same. And we could go from there. The fuel tank, let's talk about the fuel tank. The fuel tank needed modification. The fuel tank, the top lid, here, hopefully I can show you guys because the factory one's around the corner here. So, what my guys told me so this is my factory tank. So this ring, whatever they got going on, does not seal the lid on the lift pump. So what that's telling me is the plastic material's thinner. And if I recall, the harness had 4-pin harness on the old pump, and the new one has 6 pins. So that's all the difference it is. Everything else is the same. So what my guys did is they cut out a felt gasket and slid it between the lid and the bracket that holds it down, and it's nice and snug. It's not leaking, so we're good there. That's the only modification you're gonna have to do there. Other than that, you're golden, fellas. Hey, that's it. I'll try to keep these short for you guys so y'all can keep updated. I'll give you a walk around with all the modifications I've done on these trucks. As always, may the good Lord bless you, and may you all have a modifying day. And here's a sneak peek of a few more things coming. That's an air tank. All right.